So this tutorial is also a very important tutorial that's how you train your real model or how you prepare your level file for to train the YOLO model. So there is a different types of software. You can use this software for the leveling purpose, like say Labelme, CVAT, V7, RoboFlow. But in this cases, I am showing you something different from really that is interesting, that how you your zip file converted to geo or coco json file, and that is really interesting. So this is my actually zip file, and this is my actually the image which I split for the YOLO model, and the image has 801 by 802 pixel around maybe. And this is my now what happened. Now I want to create or want to convert this shape file to geo or coco json format. So let's go. So shape file to coco json and open it to level me software. So this is actually code. I'll add this code. Now this is my image file path. Now actually this is my image file folder path, and just copy and then paste it. And another one should is zip file path. This is my zip file path. Also I just copy and paste here. Before the copy paste, you can just do it something what you don't need to backwards as to forward. How can you convert it this one? Just go replace and replace all. This was a this backwards or slash converted to forward circuit, and then you can copy and paste it. Okay, so now this actually there is 4 images and there is 3 JSON file, 58, 59 and 100. But in these cases I have another extra file 149. Let's do. Okay, so what showing me process 100 is process zip file not found for the image 149. Okay, and process 40 58 59. Let's check. Yes, 123 JSON file. And if you want to open it, then you can also open it. Let's your command prompt Labelme open first file, second file, and third file, that is 100 59 58. Okay,